Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling REM sleep monitoring on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this on the heytap Health app, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Manage in the bottom right corner. Then tap Workout and Health. Scroll down to the Sleep heading and tap REM Sleep Monitoring. Now turn on the toggle to the right of REM Sleep Monitoring. You can read some info about REM sleep here. And if you tap Learn More, you can read about the benefits of REM sleep. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.